Welcome to Jurassic Park. Hello, welcome back. I have an impromptu movie party for you. I love doing the movie party videos for you guys, and this one is Jurassic Park. I'm a huge Jurassic Park fan, and we're seeing Jurassic World. So I've got crafts, I have activities, I've got snacks. It's all really easy. I didn't spend much time on anything you're about to see in this video, but I think it kind of looks like I did, maybe, I hope. So follow along if you're interested in this. This would be good if you're doing a movie night or just like a kid's birthday party. You'll get lots of ideas from this. I wanted to show you a bunch of stuff I got from the Dollar Tree, including this bag. It's really random. I lucked out because not only do they have a dinosaur party section at Dollar Tree, and I got some of their stuff, but they have all their summer tiki stuff, and a lot of that looked very jungly. So I've got these like hula skirts. I thought that could be hung up somewhere. I got a giant palm tree for the wall. Some leaf garland, more leaf garland, palm tree napkins. That doesn't belong in there. I got vines and stuff, maybe we can hang up. I got like a sifting toy. We could do like some dinosaur excavation. Leaf plates, sand for excavating. That doesn't belong in there either. Some little, I don't even know what I think I'm gonna do with those. I don't know, $1, and I got how many? 8 little dinosaurs. Oh, maybe that was meant to go in the excavator toy. More sand. Here's like a banner. I guess I'm gonna hang that up on the wall. Here's more like grass skirting. I was thinking around maybe the dining table. I thought that was appropriate. I got like a lot of little dinosaur activities to do today. Kit. There's some of the party stuff. So yeah, they don't have like Jurassic Park licensed birthday party stuff, but they have dinosaur stuff. More like just craft items. Oh, and this I was really excited to find. It's a projector. I'm gonna project these dinosaurs onto the wall. So I was inspired to do this by the Rose Table. She has a YouTube channel, and I will link her below. And she used a projector to project dinosaurs on her window, and it looked like there were dinosaurs outside. It was super awesome. And this is my little $1 invention of that. Yeah, that's it. And then last night I made this to kind of get ready. This is just an Amazon box that I painted brown, and I did these little black lines to kind of make it look like wood. I'm going to try to find some orange tissue paper, and I'm gonna glue it around the sides, and then put electric candles to try to make a fire centerpiece. And then I painted this very rustic Jurassic Park sign. I used black poster board, and I'm kind of annoyed with myself. I thought I had a ton of poster board, and I was gonna make like rectangle shapes and try to do like the entrance, but you know, this is what we have. So I'm happy with how this came out. That's a really easy centerpiece. I used these, I already had them. They're from the Dollar Tree. These are from my Harry Potter party, which I'll link below, which you should check out. And then I just put tissue paper. I had all this at home. All right, I have pre-made sugar cookie dough here, and I got this little dinosaur at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using the foot as like a stamp. And then we're gonna bake these, and we're gonna put them on ice cream. We're gonna make dinosaur sundaes. I got this idea as well from the Rose Table. We're making like little fossil cookies. Okay, so these came out as a fail at first. I brought them out of the oven, and the footprint was completely gone. It just looked like regular sugar cookies. So I took my toy and I put the foot in it again while they were still soft, and now I think it looks great. And here's another idea I got right from the Rose Table. I sauteed hard-boiled eggs in a little butter that was sprinkled with turmeric and paprika, and then you get these like dino eggs. All right, I'm making a drink now. This is also inspired by the Rose Table. It's a Jello drink, get it? Remember when Lexi was eating her vibrating Jello? So the Rose Table did an alcoholic version of this. She made her own green Jello, and I think she put vodka in it, but I just bought pre-made Jello because this is gonna be a little simpler. I'm gonna put the Jello in, and then I'm gonna add Sprite. Okay, I used 2 cups of the green Jello for that. And yes, that is an Aloha Isle glass. Please let me know in the comments if you know what that means. Then I'm gonna pour in my Sprite. And so she said in her video that just leave it for a minute and it will all turn green. I'm gonna try my drink. It's good, it tastes like Sprite, but really cute and festive. And here is our Jurassic meal. You see we've got our dino egg on some salad, a ribeye, and potatoes. Excellent for carnivores. And here are our saurus sundaes. I've got my fossil cookies, gummy worms, crushed up Oreos, and there's some ice cream and sauces and such. You can make this however you like. And this is how I set up my dino excavation. I got some of the sand from the Dollar Tree and the little toy. You get all 3 of these pieces for $1, and I hid some of those plastic dinosaurs in here. This would be a great birthday party activity too. Get a bunch of sand and a bunch of these and maybe do it outside. I wanted to show some of the crafts we got. Dollar Tree had all of these for just $1. Well, $1.25, but they're all Jurassic Park licensed. I keep saying Jurassic Park because I was born in the 80s. Obviously, these are really Jurassic World. These are like those felt posters. This is like a find the difference activity. These would be great if you're doing a birthday party and you needed favors. Okay, that's it for our Jurassic Park party. Thanks for following along. Let me know if you got any ideas. And if you liked this and you give it a thumbs up, that'll help other people see it as well. I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.